Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's me, Gio, and I'm here bringing you a kind of a how-to on how to use Premiere. Basically, I'm just going to show you how to, like, where to make your project, how to make your project, how to make a sequence, import files, rename files, and maybe add some effects here and there. So let's just get started by opening up Premiere here. And after it opens, we're going to be prompted with a screen that will give us a sort of project panel. We'll see it once it comes up. Alright, so here is our projects panel. As you can see on the side, it says new project, open project, and it even gives you like a list of projects that you've recently done. So what we're going to go over and do is we're just going to click on new project. Just want to create a new project, something fresh for the purpose of this video. And as you can see, it gives you the option to name it. It gives you video options, audio options, and sequence options. We're just going to go and we're going to name it test project. So here, guys, what we're actually going to do is we're just going to change the save location of our projects. So we're going to click on browse, and we're going to see a finder window pop up with all our locations, and you're just going to navigate to your hard drive, and you're going to click on wherever you want to save the file, and you just click on choose, and you see right there in location, the location where the project is saved will be changed. In video, if you click it, there will be this drop down box. We would just want to keep it on timecode. It's the most universally known like way to read it. And for audio and capture, we just want to keep it that way. Those are just the default settings. Now that you have Premiere open, you'll be greeted with 4 panels. So at the bottom left, that one's called the project panel. You'll want to click on the paper icon, and it'll prompt you with a menu with things to create. You would most likely want to click sequences here, but you can go to the top, you click on file, and then hover over new, and you click on sequence. This will bring up a menu giving you all of the sequence options and which ones to make. But we're just going to stick to the default DVNTC standard 48 gigahertz. We're going to rename our sequence first sequence. And see it shows up there in the project panel and in the timeline panel. Then our program monitor changes. But if you can see, our project panel is looking a little empty. So we're going to go up to File, and we're going to scroll down to Import, and we will find, we already have some clips here, but we are going to find some clips that we would want to use to bring into our project. So I'm just going to scroll around here and find some clips. I already have some clips for a feature that I was doing earlier. So I just want to pick a couple. So let's pick from here to, let's say, just about here. And we will click Import. And that will go ahead and just bring all of the clips that I selected into our project. So as soon as it's done, you'll see it at the bottom left. And should be done any second now. And here they are. So there are all of our clips. If you click on one and let's say you drag it a little above, you can actually view them in the preview monitor. But for my purposes right now, all we're going to do is you're just going to right click your clip and we will click rename. So I just have to find rename, and it's just about there. And I'm just going to name my clip whatever it is. So my friend Taylor's writing something, and we're just going to name it Taylor Writes. And you just press enter, and I'll just bring you to the next clip, and you're going to name that one too. So here we're going to get into the big boy stuff. You click and you drag a clip over to the timeline, and this will place it in your timeline. So it turns out the sequence that we made doesn't match our clip settings, so we're just going to go ahead and change the sequence settings so it matches our clip. Very important that your sequence matches your clip so the video will turn out correct as far as the aspect ratio and the resolution goes. And really that's all you need to get started in Premiere Pro. So thank you everybody for watching my tutorial video on how to use Premiere Pro. I've been Gio. Thank you very much for watching.